In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check meeting availability with Outlook Scheduling Assistant. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Outlook is open, look for the Calendar section. This is where you manage your appointments, meetings, and availability, and it's also where the Scheduling Assistant tool is built in. Go ahead and click Calendar to switch from your email view into your calendar view. Once you're there, you'll be able to create a new meeting and check when everyone is available before sending the invitation. This can save time and help you avoid back and forth messages trying to find a time that works for everyone. Next, click New Meeting. This opens a meeting invitation window where you can start entering the details for the event. At this stage, you'll want to fill in the basic information for the meeting. Add a meeting name so it's clear what the invitation is for. Then enter the attendees in the appropriate field. Make sure you add everyone whose availability you want to compare, because the Scheduling Assistant uses that list to show free and busy times. After that, enter the time for the meeting. You can choose a starting time and an ending time, and this gives Outlook a starting point when displaying scheduling options. Even if you're not sure of the exact time yet, entering a rough time range helps you begin checking availability more efficiently. Now, this is the key part. Once the attendees and time are entered, you can check availability using the Scheduling Assistant. In this view, Outlook displays the calendars of the invited attendees in a visual format, making it easy to see who is free and who is busy. You'll be able to review the schedule and select a date that works best for the group. As you look through the available times, pay attention to the blocks of free and busy time. This helps you quickly spot openings without needing to ask each person individually. If the current date doesn't work, you can move to another date and continue comparing schedules until you find a suitable option. Once you've found a time that works, you can continue with the rest of your meeting setup as needed. Using Outlook's Scheduling Assistant is one of the easiest ways to coordinate meetings more smoothly and reduce scheduling conflicts. And that's how to check meeting availability with Outlook Scheduling Assistant.